Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Grinchmas Journey board game. So I was planning to do some activities with the kids while counting down for Christmas, and I found this on Amazon. So I got this, and the idea is kind of like a snake and ladder, but it has more to it. So as you can see here, it's 2 to 4 players. 30-60 minutes, 8 plus years old. So here's the board game. It's very festive, and here's the back. This is how it should look like on the inside. So let's see here. It includes a game board as shown, game rules, 42 Grinch cards, 4 character pieces, and 8-sided die. Let's open it up. Okay, so here is the instruction. Grinchmas Journey game rules. So it says here, for setup, unfold the game board, place in the center of the playing surface, decide how many people will be playing, 2 to 4 players, and have each player choose a character piece. Place each character on the start space, shuffle all the Grinch cards, and place them in a pile in the center of the game board. So just like, here's what it looks like. I'm not going to be showing you the gameplay, but I'm just going to show you what's inside the box, and we will be playing this later. So this is the actual board. It's pretty big. Let's see here. It's very nice and colorful. So the start space is here, and here are the extra things inside the box. The 42 cards, and there's some characters here. It's 2-sided character cards. So first one is the Grinch, and then there's the dog, and then there's the girl, the Grinch, and there's the die, 8-sided die, and then there's the the color pieces. So that is it. That's how the box look like, and let's see further what the game rules are. So I don't really know the game yet, but I'll give you the gist of how the game is played. All players take turns rolling the die to decide who goes first, with the highest roll placed first. In the event of a tie, those players roll again until there's a highest roll. Play continues clockwise from this player. And then play begins. Active player rolls the die and moves their character. It's just like a snake and ladder. Play continues. Let's see. Game board actions are played out, whether it be moving up or down the ladder, picking up a Grinch card, or swapping characters. Oh, okay. So understand now. So if you happen to, like, let me see here. Oh, this is important. The pictures are important. Place the character in the beginning. Arrows show you the direction of the path. So as you can see here, there's some arrows. It's kind of confusing, but just follow along. When you land on a Grinch space, pick up Grinch cards and follow the instructions. So that's where the card goes in. So when you land on a Grinch space, you would have to pick a card. I'll open the card so you'll see an example of what the cards look like. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and sample how the game would go. Let's see here. So here's the character. You just have to insert it like this. So there's 4 characters. You pick your character. There's the red Grinch, and the yellow dog, and then there's the girl. So characters here in the beginning start, and then we would roll the dice. So If you first one got 3, second one got 1, third player got 8, and fourth player got 5. So the eighth one would go first. If you roll over to a Grinch, then you would have to pick a card. So for instance, you roll to a Grinch. It says here, skip Grinch off contest. Why should you bother with such nonsense? There's some funny like words here. Keep this card in your possession until you enter a Grinch off contest. Surrender this card so that both players can occupy the same spot on the board at the same time. And then for instance, you get into a swap. It says here, if you go into a swap, it says swap character placement with another character on the board. Actions do not apply after swap. So you can pick which character you would like to pick. So if somebody was here, you can actually advance if you want to swap with that character, which is cool. So, and then you have those options to go on a ladder, go up. There is no snake, so you can't go down. You can only go up, which is kind of cool. So, that is the gameplay. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.